Hello everyone. Welcome to Miss Radi's English class where we learn to read and write in English. All right, it's nice to have you here. So before we start our lesson, let's talk about the class rules. As a good student, you need to set your time for your English studies. Okay, so you need to be on your time to attend, or to be on time to attend your lesson. And when you join in, you need to sit properly. If you are sitting on the carpet, you need to sit like this, girl. And if you are sitting on the chair, you need also to sit like this. I need you to have your pencil, your crayons, and your notebook for writing activities. And then you need to listen. No shouting or playing with your friends, okay? You need to be serious with your studies. So today we are going to focus on the letter U, and for us to be able to read and write words with the letter U, we need to know the sound, okay? We don't say letter U. Letter U is its name, but for reading and writing purposes, we need to say its sound. So we say the for up, umbrella. Okay, so I want you to say the sound a a a a. Okay, a a a a. Yes. For more sound practice, you can log into Jolly Phonics, letter U sound, then you can practice. But you must know that it's letter, the sound is a. Okay, up, umbrella. Okay, and then my objectives for this lesson, I want you to identify and say the letter sound a, to practice writing upper and lowercase a, and to read and write words with the a sound. Okay, and you know that at the end of our lesson you need to practice to write sentences. Yes, that's a bonus. All right, so now let's talk about the objects that begin with the a sound. All right, you can look at the pictures. We have this one. Can you see where the teddy bear is? It's under the table. So A for enter, under the table. Okay, now you can see this picture. Uphill, uphill. Okay, the next one, what is this? You know this one, right? Yes. A for umbrella. A for umbrella. And this arrow, can you see where it's pointing? Up. A for up. Okay. And then look at this. Underground. Okay. Underground. And we have this, yes, in our homes or in the schools. Upstairs. A for upstairs. Upstairs. Okay. I think in your house you can get the umbrella, right? And you can go under the table. Can you go under the table? Oh, that's nice. Can you point up to the sky? Yes, very good. Nice one. All right, so now we are going to learn to write the letter A. So this one is very easy. Can you see we start from number 1, you go down, then you make a U-turn going up. Can you practice in the air? Yes, very good with your pointing finger. We start from number 1, we go down, we make our U-turn, and then we go up again. A for up, okay. And then the lowercase, we go down, we go up, and then it down. Can you see the difference here? This one is just going and make a U-turn and we go up. That's it. And this one, we need to go down, make a U-turn, we go up, and then we go down again. Yes. I want you to practice, okay? Get your worksheet or your booklet, okay? And practice to trace like this. And then if you want, you can log into www.2happybears.com and download some worksheets there. Then you can print, okay? They are so amazing. You can pause the video and practice to trace the letter R. And when you are done, we are going to read. As usual, we are going to read only words with the letter sounds that we have learned so far. Yes. So, I know you know this one, right? Now, can you say the letter sound for this one? Yes. Very good. Very good. So, what is our word? Can you tell me what is the word? Very good. Let's do together. S, a, n, sun. This is the sun, right? S, a, n, sun. Very good. And let's see what is happening here. Can you say the sound? Yes. This one? Yes. Lastly, this one? Very good. Now, let's say together. K, a, t, cat. K, a, t, cat. Very good. You can pause the video and read one more time, okay? Don't rush. You need to do it slowly. Repeat and repeat and repeat. That's how we learn. Now, the next one, I put these two so that you can see the difference, okay? Can you say the sound for this one? Yes. Very good. Very good. What is the word? What is this one? All right. Nice. Let's read it together. K, a, p. Cap. K, a, p. Cap. All right. So this is our cup with coffee inside. I like to drink some coffee. All right, now let's move on to the next picture. Can you say the sound? Yes. Good. Very good. So what is the word for this picture? What is the word? All right, let's do together. G. Mug. G. Mug. This is our mug. Very good. All right. You can pause the video and read again. It's still okay. When you are done, we are going to read about this one, this picture, and this picture. Okay. Now, I want you to say the letter sound for this one. Yes. And this one. Good. This one. So, what is the word? Can you read? Okay, let's do it together. Nut. Nut. This is the nut. Okay. The next one, can you say the sound? Yes. This one. This one. Very good. Now, can you read? Let's do it together. Let's read it together now. T-a-b. Tab. T-a-b. Tab. This is our tab. Baby tab. All right. So now I want you to write how many words? 6, because we have 6 pictures. I want you to pause the video, draw all these pictures in your notebook. Okay? So in your notebook, you have uppercase and lowercase R sound, right? After that, you write these words, okay? You draw the pictures and write the words. That's the next task in your notebook. Let's write. Here you write K-A-P, cap. K-A-P, cap. Next one, what is this? Write S-A-N, sun. S-A-N, sun. Okay, good. This picture. What is this one? Okay, tab. So write T-A-B. T-A-B. Tab. This one. N-A-T. Nut. N-A-T. Nut. Okay. And this one, can you write K-A-T. Cat. K-A-T. Cat. And the last one, M-A-G. Mug. M-A-G. Mug. You can pause your video and draw and write the words, okay? When you are done, then you come for self-assessment. We are almost done. Okay, can you check? K-A-P, cap. S-A-N, sun. T-A-B, tab. N-A-T, nut. K-A-T, cat. M-A-G, mug. Did you write like this? Yes. Very good, very good, very good. If you made a mistake, no worries. Pause the video and do your corrections. Okay. When you are done, then we are going to write our sentences because we are good students. We are now writing sentences. This is great. I like it. Okay, so you need to draw how many pictures? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need to draw 4 pictures. The cup, tap, nut, and mug. We are going to write sentences using the words this, it, that. Okay? We are learning. Can you see that? So for the first one, I gave it to you. Can you write, this is a cup? Okay, capital T. Finger space, finger space, finger space, and your full stop. This is a cup. When you are done, we write, it is a cup. Okay, pause the video and write these 2 sentences, then we can move on. So for the picture of the tab, I want you to write, I will tell you what to write because we have 3 sentence structures. Okay, so I'm going to lead you. I want you to write it is a tab. Here, it is a tab. And the next one, it, so it's like you are going to copy, it is a, then you write the word tab. Remember, you need to learn how to write these words without copying. So you are going to write, it is a tab. Don't forget your full stop, sweetheart. Okay? And then the next sentence you are going to write, that. You take this word. That is a tab. Okay? You can pause the video and write, it is a tab. That is a tab. Then you come to this one, the nut. So for the nut, we are going to start with this. Can you copy this word, this? So you are going to write, this is a nut. This is a nut. Okay, and don't forget your uppercase and your full stop. When you are done, you are going to write, it is a nut. Uppercase, finger space, and full stop. It is a nut. You can pause the video and write. When you are done, we come to this one, the last one. I want you to write, it is a mug. So here, it is a mug. Uppercase, finger space, full stop. When you are done, we are going to write, that is a mug. That is a mug. How many sentences you have all together? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sentences. It is a mug. That is a mug. Okay. So you can pause the video, and I want you to color your drawings. Make them very beautiful, okay? And try to write, shaping your letters correctly. So I'm now going to review our answers. You just check. Did you write like this one? This one was already there, so you were just copying. You need to check this one. It is a tab. Check uppercase, E. Did you write like this? And check also finger space and your full stop. Then that is a tab. Check uppercase, check finger space, and check the full stop. Great. All right. This is a nut. Check uppercase, finger space, and full stop. It is a nut. Check again your uppercase, finger space, and the full stop. The last one, it is a mug. Can you check your uppercase, your finger space, and the full stop? That is that is a mug. Can you check also? All right. If you made some mistakes, don't worry. Stop the video and try to do your corrections. Okay? No need to worry. We learn from our mistakes. That's it. All right. So when you are done, you will come to do this one. I want you to do this one to say the letter sound. Up umbrellas. Up umbrellas. Okay. And name 5 objects which start with a sound. You can check from the beginning of our video, you get them. And then I want you to keep on practicing to trace the letter R, the uppercase and the lowercase, and also to write them independently without tracing. And try to write with correct letter formation, okay? And I want you to draw and write words with a sound. Where do we get the words? The words are here. You need to know how to write them without copying. So today, as it was our first lesson, you were copying. But when you do again tomorrow, try not to copy, okay? Try. So what you can do is tomorrow, if you want to do it, you just put like this and then try to write no copying. And then I want you to keep practicing to write sentences. I want you to know how to write these sentences, okay, without copying. I want you to be able to just draw a cup and write, this is a cup, that is a cup, it is a cup, okay? Like that. And then you draw your tab, you write again, this is a tab, it is a tab, that is a tab. Those 3 sentence structures, if you can do that without copying, Miss Rat will be very, very happy and very, very proud of you. Okay, so that's why I always say you need to keep on practicing every day. Practice, practice, practice. Okay, so it was lovely to have you in the lesson. Okay, great job to everybody. Great job. You did very well. I like your work. When you see me, please show me your notebook. Okay, and this is the end of our lesson. I just wanted to remind you to don't forget to please click the like button and the subscribe button. Why do you click the subscribe? So that when I post another lesson, you get a notification and you can join me live. You can join and watch live with me together. You'll be the first one to watch the lesson. So you need to click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Thank you. Keep on studying and wish you all the best in your studies. Thank you. Bye.